Welcome back to Twisted V-Twin Garage, everybody. Trying out some new video equipment and audio equipment today. Gonna show you what we did. We made a cross member and then stored a cross member in here for this pill block bearing. We got this drive shaft to where it's just sitting there relaxed. We shimmed this all up for this pill block bearing to keep this thing running true. And along with this pill block bearing, got a double lock collar, heavy duty spring, making brackets here that have to be installed for this clutch arm hanger. Here's your clutch and pressure plates, custom driver, and hub that hooks to the flywheel. We did this here for, this is a pulling tractor. We did this to make this drive line safe and secure, because you don't want to break a drive shaft and have it flinging and flopping in this tractor. We got a console that will run from back here clean up to here that will contain this drive shaft and keep it down in there, so you don't get hit by it if it would break or a clutch would explode. We're going to put shields over top of this. We got to make them to cover this and keep this contained. Going to put a flat plate in the bottom so that it can't go down. It will stay contained between the two frame rails. On your basic Cub-Cadet, it's pretty much a basic setup, other than this is a lot heavier duty than your standard Cub-Cadet, but you can do a system like this in a regular Cub-Cadet and it'll work just fine, instead of having rubber pieces in your drive line on your regular Cub-Cadet. So if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up or give me a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. But as we do more work, we'll bring you back, show you what it is, how it's done, and why we did it. So if this video helps, let us know, because we're trying out new equipment, new audio equipment, video equipment, trying to improve things. So leave us a comment and let us know how it's doing.